the Philippine Air Force.
I will be leading our program today. Everyone who is here today to show their support for Home Factory Outlet, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalo. Thank you for taking your time out of your busy schedule and be here with us today. So thank you everyone. Home Factory Outlet has prepared fun and exciting programs and promos to celebrate the bigger and better relaunch this year. We also prepared this program to thank the loyalty of our partners and customers. So, speaking of fun, of course, meron po kaming pasabog para sa inyong lahat. So, kung hindi nyo pa po nakiklaim ang inyong raffle stub, kindly look for Mr. Daryl over there at the registration counter and win exciting prizes later this morning. So, once again, please claim your raffle stub with Mr. Daryl over there at the counter and win exciting prizes later this morning. So, yan. So, nasa likod ko yung mga prizes. Sino kaya ang mag-uwi ng isang furniture mamaya? So, please do claim your raffle stub later. Okay, so hindi ko na po papatagalin ang ating program. Let us all proceed to the ribbon cutting to mark the relaunch of HFO's Fairview Terraces, Bigger and Better. So, may we invite in front Honorable Sunny Del Monte to please come. Honorable Congressman Patrick Vargas, Mr. Sam Gregory Lim, Ms. Geraldine Custodio, Ms. Margie Santos, Honorable William Balwag, and lastly, Honorable Julian Tono to please come in front.
given us power over the works of his hands, be with you all.
And with your spirit.
In his own life, Christ, Jesus clearly showed us the dignity of labor. When he became incarnate, the work of the Father was known as the carpenter's son, and willingly worked with the tools of his trade. By working with his own hands, he transformed toil from being an inherited curse or sin into a source of blessing. If we do our work well, whatever it may be, and offer it to God, we purify ourselves and
So I would like to acknowledge the president.
No, kami naman next.
On behalf of the Brinks Lifestyle Group, I would like to thank, of course, our guest of honors, former Speaker and former Mayor of Quezon City, the Honorable Feliciano Santiago-Monte, Quezon City Congressman, the Honorable Patrick Vargas, SK Federation President of Quezon City, the Honorable Julian Marcos Trono, Head of the Business Permits and Licensing Department of Quezon City, Ms. Margie Santos. And then Honorable William Arbawag, Action Officer of District 5, Quezon City. A little bit of a history lang of our space here. I think our guests are asking, hey, how come you got so many, patalaki ng tindahan, patandaming space? When you approach Ayala before, we're actually looking for a big space. And they told us, sorry, wala namang space para sa inyo. Sabi mo nila, meron kami mga a few spaces dito, so bumaba kami dito, tintiningan namin. At sabi na lang namin sa kanila, kukunin namin lahat ng tindahan available dito. So actually, through the years, dumagdag to, and even just recently, nakuha ho namin yung isang buong area na. Yung mga, before nandyan mo yung mga services nila, yung mga foreign exchange, etc. This just goes to show na for us, here at BLG, niwala kami sa development ng Quezon City. We've been talking with former Speaker, Honorable Monte, shinare na ho niya, iba na ho talaga yung development sa area na to. And we have seen that through the years. We've been here since pre-pandemic, and we're happy na na-survive namin yung pandemic. Kasi even during the pandemic, yung mga tao namimili pa rin sa lugar na to. So we're so happy with the development in this area, and we hope that this store will expand not only in Quezon City, of course, in other cities as well. Thank you also to all of course, to our partners, our suppliers, people of our HFO team. They worked hard to do this event. And of course, sa mga customers namin. Dito sa HFO, of course, we do want to provide the most affordable furniture. Affordable. Hindi meaning hindi maganda yung kalidad, maganda pa rin yung quality, maganda yung style, pero very affordable. So thank you to all, and we're glad to give the residents and consumers of Quezon City and the surrounding areas affordable options to turn their houses into a home. Salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much.
1, 2, 3! What's up, Pilipinas? Welcome to the bigger, better Home Factory Outlet!